Hello everyone, in my previous video I showed you how to create a video downloader website in Python and Flask. In this video I will show you how to convert it into a live website. So we are going to host our website in Heroku. First you need to create an account here. Click sign up and create your account. Since I have already created an account, I will just log in. After logging in, we need to create a new app. I'm going to name it any video downloader iCoder. Then click create app. And then I'm going back to my project. Here I need to add a new file to upload to Heroku. The name of the file is prop file, and inside we have to write web : gunicorn space wsci : app. Then I am going to publish this project to GitHub. So click here in source control, publish to GitHub, then put a name. I will use the same name, any video downloader iCoder. Select private so that others can see the source code of this project. Then click OK. Now we have published our project to GitHub. Okay, we can check. Now we need to go back to Heroku, select deployment method GitHub, scroll down, then click connect to GitHub, click authorize, then search the repository we just created, any video downloader iCoder, then click connect, then enable automatic deploys, then click deploy branch. So there's an error here. It's because I didn't add requirements.txt file in our Python project. So here we need to add requirements.txt file. We can directly add it using pip. So the command is pip3 requirements.txt. Okay, now requirements.txt is added. Then we are going to push these changes to GitHub again. Added requirements.txt. Now going back to Heroku, it says that it's released to this URL. Let's check it. Okay, we forgot to add gunicorn. pip3 install gunicorn, then run pip freeze again, then going to push these changes, added gunicorn, so let's check which Python version we are using. Python 3.8.13. so let's edit require runtime.txt and python dash 3.8.13. then save these changes at python version. Okay, we also need to change our app name. Since it's written wsgi, our file name should be wsgi, or we can keep it as app and change it to app modified profile. Okay, now it's built. Let's check the app again. Cool, now it's working fine. This is the URL. We can also use buy a domain name and use our own domain name. For that, we can go to settings, and here we can add a domain name such as any video downloader.com, but we need to add card details first to be able to add a custom domain name. I don't have a valid credit card, so I won't be able to show this step. But you can try if you have a valid credit card. There are different plans in Heroku. So the one we just created is free one, and it runs for only 550 to 1000 hours per month. And to upgrade it, we can choose this $7 per month package plan or higher plans if required.
In my next video, I will show you how to use DigitalOcean for hosting a Python website instead of Heroku. The process is a bit more complicated in DigitalOcean, but the pricing is cheaper. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.